Well, that's great. So now in this video we are going to talk about constructor overloading. The previous video talked about method overloading, and I talked about signatures and what comes in signature, different type of data types, the sequence of parameters, and the different parameters. Okay, the sequence of parameters, different types of data types for parameter, and the sequence of parameter. These all things comes in the signature of the method. So these things comes in the signature. Okay, the parameter should be different. Okay, parameters should be different, and here is two parameters, then here should be three parameters. Data type should be different, like here int, then here it can be double. The sequence of the parameters, like here int double int, then it can be double int whatever. Okay, yeah, double int, and here can be int double. So the signature, it comes that the parameter should be different, the sequence of parameters should be different, and the data type should be different. Okay, it does not depends on your written type. Written type can be anything, but by making different written type, you cannot achieve method overloading. Do you understand? Great. So now we are going to work on constructor. So watch previous video will understand all the things, and that's so new project we are going to create. Project name is constructor demo 1. Okay, constructor demo 1. So we may have constructor demo 1 here, and in this demo I'm gonna, like, we have a src resource file, and this resource file I'm gonna create a new Java class. So that Java class, and you may write any package. So I write ms.hub. Okay, and you may write anything. So hub, otherwise you write ms hub. Yeah, it's a good. Okay, so hub. So here I write the class name student. Okay, and finish. So that a student can have name, have address, have age. There's so many things. So we are going to take 3 and 4 parameters for it. So I'm going to create instance variables of string type, string, name. Yeah, please, we can say cop up with this all, because I cannot tell to them to stop this. We are playing sound outside. Okay, so please do focus on your learning, do not focus on there. So name, and the second is address, and second is int age. So two things I've taken. This is instance parameters. Okay, instance variables. And now I'm going to create a constructor. So constructor is student and int age and string name, and this is the constructor. And in this constructor I'm going to have int age. So this dot age assign age, this dot name. And the one more thing we can do, because we like, first I'm going to tell you one more student constructor student, and in student I'm gonna create a string address, and this student, and here we are going to have address. So this address and assign address. Great. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to call this method. So we may do one thing. first I'm going to create another class. We may create another class from out then in the same package. Okay, and if you would like to, so I'm going to create another class and now I'm gonna create another class. And here also you may create a class outside. Okay, that is also fine, but we have taken package, so in that package we are going to create another class, and class name I write the MS Hub. The same package we are going to do not write another package because we have to change all the configuration public and the uh, all the things, okay, to hand access these things outside the package. So I'm going to write name of class is texture constructor tester, yeah, tester. Okay, tester. So this is our class, another class, and in this class we have main method and finish. So in this class I'm gonna call simple student. So is to new student. Inside the student I will have to pass three parameters. Okay, what are three parameters? Two parameters, because I'm gonna call one constructor, create a one constructor, create an instance of the class. While creating the instance of the class, we call our constructor. So I'm going to pass int like age. So age is 22 and like age and name is answer. Okay, so this is we have passed from there. And the one more thing we are going to do there, we are going to display these all things only there. So I have called this, and now I'm going to this. I did mistake, so we are going passing a string. So that's now I'm going to call there. So is2 dot display. I display. I will create method this there to display so this display method is not there. I'm going to create this display method, so we have called only this one. So for accessing this we have one current class object that give the current class reference, okay, object reference, which is this keyword. So using this keyword I'm gonna assign address. So address is Agra. Okay, so by using this keyword I have assigned this constructor value, the address I have taken there. Okay, and now I'm going to create a display method. So void display, and display we have created, and display, inside display what we are going to do, system dot out dot println, sorry what happened, println and println. So inside that I'm gonna write your age is concatenation age. I copy this line to print three things there. I paste it and I paste. So your age is this, your name, 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 your address, address. What's wrong? Okay, so done. Three things we have printed there. Now what we are going to do, we are going to check this program is working well or not. So we are going to run texture class, and I simply what yeah, I did not give address. No, yeah, sorry, I given address there only. So we have compiled and run, and that output is, you can see there, the output is your age is 22, your name is Ansul, and your age is your address is Agra. Okay, age is 22, name is Ansul, and address is Agra. So that's, see the output. So do you understand what we did? We simply created three instance variables. I created a constructor in that, and I created another constructor. In that constructor I have assigned address value, and I wanted to use this constructor, I wanted to create object for it. So what did I do? I used this keyword. By this keyword, what we know about this keyword, this keyword represent the current class object reference. Okay, so current class object reference, by using that I have called this constructor. I have called this constructor. From here I'm calling this constructor and getting this value. From here, what is happening by this line? I'm calling this constructor and having this value and taking inside it. Okay, so I am assigning this value. I'm calling when this line will run, and what will happen? This code will run. Okay, this constructor will run, and later we are printing this all values there. So do you understand how to achieve constructor overloading? And the next video we will be talking about something else, and be strict with that. And really I'm giving very good like concepts, like good things to you, which really will clear your programming concepts in Java, will make very easy programming. Okay, these concepts will make very easy programming for you. So do focus on it, do work on it, and do well. All the best. And subscribe this channel, share with your friends so they also can take benefit from it. Great, nice.